Igbo?
Yes, I'm a Masibo.
Igbo?
Mba agrom akụkọ na Anambra State.
Igbo?
Mba sir.
Ebe is na River State?
Ebema.
Ebema. Do you know there is Ebema in Imo State?
Yes sir. Yes.
Do you know Ebema Imo State and Ebema River State is just a boundary?
Yes sir.
And you're not an Igbo person?
No sir.
What is your native name?
Sorochi.
Huh?
Sorochi.
Sorochi.
Yes sir.
Sorochi.
Yes sir.
What is your father's name? Huh?
Oba.
Your father's name is Oba.
Yes sir.
Your name is Sorochi.
Sorochi.
And you're not Igbo. Please, I'm using this opportunity to tell Ohaneze, our fathers, Ohaneze and Igbo, to do more work by uniting our people, trying to tell our people whom they are. Your father's name is Oba.
Welcome to our channel today. We brought to your surprise and hearing the mysteries that has before Igbo race after the Civil War. Thereafter General Yakubu Gowon and British government deceived and bewitched some part of Igbo region to deny their origin, which make them up till this present day that they are not Igbo, even though they answered Igbo name and speak the language. This strange political and systematic way of divide and rule triggers the rising of Nnamdi Kanu agitation to unite Igbo race. The man of God Prophet Ebuka Obi has been one of the persons who took up the matter as a burden to teach our Igbo brothers and sisters what they ought to know about their generation, even though our forefathers failed. Ezekiel 18 verses 1-2, the word of the Lord came to me. What do you people mean by quoting this proverb about the land of Israel? The parents eat sour grapes, and the children's teeth are set on edge. Tufiakwa. Let us watch this. Please viewers, if it is your first time on our channel, do us a favor to share to your friends and family, like and subscribe as well. It is time to hear the man of God. Thanks for watching.
But what are you aqua the gun? Kedika gun, make color, KJ, the other one, KJ apa. Ngoyan sister, what are you KJ? What do you want to do?
I want to sing to Jesus.
Where do you come from?
River State sir.
What part of river?
Ebema Port Harcourt.
Igbo?
Yes, I'm a Masibo.
Igbo?
Mba agrom akụkọ na Anambra State.
Igbo?
Mba sir.
Ebe is na River State?
Ebema.
Ebema. Do you know there is Ebema in Imo State?
Yes sir. Yes.
Do you know Ebema Imo State and Ebema River State is just a boundary?
Yes sir.
And you're not an Igbo person?
No sir.
What is your native name?
Sorochi.
Huh?
Sorochi.
Sorochi.
Yes sir.
Sorochi.
Yes sir.
What is your father's name? Huh?
Oba.
Your father's name is Oba.
Yes sir.
Your name is Sorochi.
Sorochi.
And you're not Igbo. Why don't, please, I'm using this opportunity to tell Ohaneze, our fathers, Ohaneze and Igbo, to do more work by uniting our people, trying to tell our people whom they are. Your father's name is Oba. Oba is Igbo name. Sorochi is Igbo name. And you say you are not Igbo. You are from Ebema in River State. Ebema River State is just a boundary that divided Ebema Rivers and Ebema Imo. It was boundary. The same people, Ebema Rivers, Ebema Imo, it's just boundary.
Yes, but not very well.
In that Ebema River State you come from, what is 4 market days there? Huh?
Eke.
Uh-huh.
Orie.
Uh-huh.
Ako.
Uh-huh.
Mfo.
Nkwo. Any race that believe in Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo is Igbo. Igbo people have that 4 market days. So if your race believe in Eke, Orie, Afo, Nkwo, you people are Igbo. You can't say you are not Igbo when your father's name is Oba. Your name is, what is the name of Sorochi?
Follow God.
And in Sorochi in Igbo is the same follow God. He say you are not. What is meaning of hand in your language in rivers?
Akam.
Akang. What is name of leg?
Ukum.
Huh?
Ukum.
Oko. What is name of nose?
Imi.
Imi. What is name of eyes in your language?
Anya.
Anya. Please, if you say you are not Igbo, God will be angry with you. You are Igbo. Tell your people you are Igbo. That they carve you in South does not mean you are not Igbo. Oh, don't deny your race. Igbo speak in different language. Look at your Igbo self is more understandable to me than Igbo in Enugu State. When somebody from Soka speak Igbo, we will not hear. So stop denying your race. Yeah? God bless you. Hope you don't understand.
Sir, yes, sir.
So somebody should cut this video to educate our people in Egbema, River State, that they are Igbo people. Or you sing. Today is Mama's Day. Are you married? You sing.
Nnamdi,
Obasanjo,